Updating your legal profile on Kabbage is essential to ensure that your business information is accurate and up to date. Follow these steps to make the necessary changes. Step 1. Log into your Kabbage account. Visit the Kabbage website and log in using your credentials. Ensure you have access to the account associated with your business. Step 2. Navigate to your profile settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select Legal Profile. In the profile settings, look for an option labeled Legal Profile or Business Information. Click on this option to access your legal details. Step 4. Update your information. Review the existing information and make any necessary changes. This may include updating your business name, address, legal structure, or tax identification number. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your legal profile, ensure you save the changes. Look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page and click it to confirm your updates. By following these steps, you can keep your legal profile on Kabbage accurate and current. Regular updates help maintain compliance and ensure smooth operations for your business.